The shine of hair depends on many factors, whether or not you respect good habits, environmental pollution, the products used. What can we do to have healthy, strong hair? Having shiny hair is undoubtedly the dream of every woman, and many men too. But for hair to be shiny, it must be healthy and strong. However, many factors prevent this from happening. Environmental pollution, stress, cold, heat, hairdryer or straighteners are all factors that affect hair health. This is why a hair care routine is becoming more and more necessary. In addition to the products found on the market, there are a few daily habits that can be taken into account to have shiny, strong and healthy hair. In this video, we will see 3 treatments that you must apply to have shiny hair. Washing care for shiny hair. To have shiny hair, washing is a fundamental step in the beauty routine. The first point is the water temperature. It is important that washing is done with lukewarm water, neither cold nor hot, because cold water is not able to dissolve grease and hot water damages the hair. The classic advice to finish washing in cold water is actually quite valid. Cold water stimulates circulation and closes the scales, which makes hair shinier. As for shampoo, we think it is good to change shampoo so that the hair does not get used to it. This is not always entirely true. If we find a shampoo that works for us, it's best to continue using it. Another important point is not to rub your hair too hard while washing it. This could stimulate the sebaceous glands and generate more fat in the hair. When rinsing the hair, it is advisable to put your head back and run your fingers as if you were combing it to remove the rest of the shampoo. This simple gesture will make your hair shinier. How to brush your hair. Brushing your hair is a fundamental gesture in your daily life. It should be done at least twice a day, in the morning and in the evening. It is recommended to always brush your hair before washing it. This will prevent the hair from getting too tangled when wet, which would make penetration of the shampoo more difficult. Experts also recommend brushing your hair 10 to 20 times in the evening before bed. If possible, this should be done with a natural bristle brush. Brushing exfoliates the scalp and eliminates all traces of the product. It also promotes blood circulation and makes hair much shinier. Home care for shiny hair. There are many special hair care products on the market. You can also choose to go to a beauty salon and apply the appropriate treatment to have shinier hair. For a more economical solution, there is also a very effective solution at home. These are treatments based on natural products. One of these natural treatments is that based on aloe vera, a natural product with incredible properties, capable of promoting hair growth, hydrating and making it shiny. To prepare it, you need to mix 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, which can be extracted directly from the leaf, with 2 tablespoons of water and place the mixture in a spray bottle. This preparation should be applied to wet hair after washing. Olive oil. The olive oil mask is also very effective in making hair shiny. Due to its high content of nutrients, fatty acids, antioxidants and vitamin E, olive oil helps repair hair damage, hydrate it and make it shiny. To prepare this mask, heat 2 or 3 spoons of olive oil until it is hot. Then apply the mixture to the scalp, massaging it and letting it act for 15 minutes. While the oil acts on the hair, it is recommended to cover the head with a warm towel to enhance its effect. Then wash your hair as usual. You can apply this mask once or twice a week. Thank you for watching. You can watch more videos by clicking the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.